This stick and stitch pack is all about florals. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So this pack comes with this awesome little collection of floss that's going to be perfect for every different sticker that you're going to use in this pack. Here's your instructions. They're pretty thick. It gives you good guidance on how to use every different sticker. There's instructions for all the different little pieces and tips on how to do it. We have our little hoop, very helpful in most fabrics, and our needle. Then let's look at the stickers. So we have this bee. This is a fun one. A bouquet of flowers. This is another pocket design. So these go on the top of a pocket or at the base. So you'd put this on the fabric behind, and then the pocket itself would be on this line. It looks like flowers are coming out of your pocket. This is a butterfly, and this is the one that I'm going to use to demonstrate some of the stick and stitch techniques that we're going to need to know for using these stickers. And then we have just this really pretty little flower here. So when you're using these stickers, you can stick them on almost any fabric, and you stick them, stitch, and then you can wash it away and the decal disappears. So they're really fun to use for making anything hand embroidered. So follow along in the next video and I'll show you what you need to know on how to use any of these stick and stitch patterns. This is the one that I'm going to be demonstrating.